Same phone, same config, same provider. One office works. The other registers fine, but calls fail, or you get one-way audio or no audio at all. Everything matches. The router in the middle is editing your packets. A SIP ALG is a feature in your router that inspects SIP traffic and rewrites addresses it thinks need fixing for NAT. It opens the signaling, looks at the contact header, the VIA, the IP addresses inside the SDP, and changes them. The idea is sound in theory. The rewriting is often wrong. The full write-up with both captures is on VoIP School. Here is what is happening. Here is the proof. 2 captures of the same call. One on the LAN side, before the router. One on the WAN side, after. The contact header changed. The SDP connection line changed. If the message differs between the 2 captures, the router did it. There is nothing else in that path that modifies SIP. Before you capture anything, try this. Change the SIP port on both ends to something other than 5060. Most routers decide a packet is SIP by looking at the port. An ALG that keys on 5060 never fires on 5071 or 5080. If calls that failed on 5060 suddenly work on a different port, the ALG was your problem. You proved it without a single capture. If that does not work, disable the SIP ALG on the router. The setting hides under different names depending on the vendor. If you cannot disable it, or disabling does not help, put the router in bridge mode, or move the endpoint to a subnet the ALG does not touch. The full write-up with both captures, the header comparison, and the decision tree is on VoIP School. Go read it.